Hello guys, I'm back with a new update. Today we are talking about Floyd Shivambu. He finally spoke out about Julius Malema's court case. Let's get into it. Most of you know Floyd was a leader in the EFF. Then he joined the MK party, but he didn't last long there. Now he has started his own group called Africa Maibuye. Recently he went on the podcast and chill show with MacG. While he was there, he talked about Malema's gun case. Was very honest. He said what Malema did with the gun was childish. He said a grown man should not be shooting a gun into the air. Even if Malema was happy or celebrating, Floyd think it was a childish thing to do. Floyd also touched on the money that he has spent on the case itself and lawyers. He said millions of rands are being wasted on the lawyer for this case. He thinks it is a waste of money to pay for a childish behavior. Let's watch the video of Floyd Shivambu saying this thing himself.
I think it's childish to play with guns, whether it's real or toy guns. If it's a toy gun, is even worse.
Yeah.
I think it's childish. So I was there. I think the issue is sub judice. I don't know whether it's a toy gun or a real gun. I didn't touch it and everything else there. But I think general to play with guns is childish.
So you see,
And if it's a toy gun, it's even much more childish.
so you saw something wrong with it.
I don't associate with that. It's not my culture. It's not my style.
But are you not
of playing.
advising him to be like, don't
Look,
do that, comrade?
people can do whatever they want to do. There's a lot of less than desirable things which many people that we work with do, and we just observe.
So, did you mention this though? Like, because he
Look,
says he was your guy. Did you say, hey, my man, I don't think that move was the smartest, bro?
You know, like, I'll tell you something that since 2018, if you were to calculate the amount of money that has been spent on lawyers and busing supporters to go and say hands off CIC, and it's possibly about 50 million rand because of childish behavior. I don't associate with that. And I generally, even when I was in the EFF, because I attended some of the court cases, I was like, why should we leave the work of going to interact with branches on the ground and come and sit there in those hard benches for the whole day?
Do you think is Floyd right or is he being mean? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more news. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.